Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study effectively Spark step by step. Start by creating a simple plan that names what you will study each day and how long you will spend. Use focused intervals and write one specific goal for each session. Track progress with a checklist and adjust the plan weekly based on results. This practical routine keeps momentum and reduces stress while improving memory and performance. In this video, I will explain how to study effectively Spark step by step. Emphasize active techniques like self-quizzing, summarizing aloud, and teaching others to make studying productive. Replace passive reading with practice problems and retrieval practice to cement knowledge. Alternate topics to build flexible understanding and use spaced repetition to revisit material over time. These practical methods turn study hours into real learning and better exam readiness. In this video, I will explain how to study effectively Spark step by step. Quick recommendation: if you want a small mood boost between sessions, try Little Tree's Black Ice in your car for a crisp scent that feels refreshing. If you're finding these tips helpful, please subscribe and like, and check the description for the link and other deals. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will explain how to study effectively Spark step by step. Craft an environment that supports concentration, clear clutter, set comfortable lighting, and have water and supplies at hand. Use noise control or background music at low volume if it helps. Manage digital interruptions with app timers and do not disturb so flow states last longer. A consistent space signals your brain that it is time to work and learn.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.